treatment of cooler leakage after boosting of expander. Part 2. After determining the cause of failure, the 1 expander after supercharging cooler is disassembled and inspected, and 2 heat exchange tubes, made of carbon steel, are found to be leaking. Then we block the leaking heat exchange tubes. After pressure test, they meet the use conditions. After reassembly, they were temporarily restored to use. In order to fundamentally solve the problem and prevent the leakage from happening again, it is recommended that the user replace the tube bundle of the aftercooler, change the carbon steel heat exchange tube, which is easy to be corroded, into the stainless steel heat exchange tube. In operation, reasonable operation steps are formulated to ensure that the pressure at the gas side is always higher than that at the water side. The acidity, alkalinity and hardness of the chilled water should be tested regularly, and the water supplement amount of the water cooling column should be increased regularly. The dry expansion air is used to take the water on the booster channel of the main heat exchanger to the inlet filter of the expander, and the water is taken out of the device by heating the expander. Through the above operation and improvement, the normal operation function of the equipment is restored, and the shutdown and heating of the air separation plant are avoided.